drone time. It's compact drone time. No more of these Inspire ones that we packing around. Let's get into this. When this thing came out, I got real excited. We've packed the Phantom drones into cans. We've packed Inspire ones around. But the size of that thing to carry in a pack where we go some places, it was just too good to pass up. Look at this bad boy. Oh! It's like a little baby drone. Oh my gosh. Oh. The size of that to fit in my pack, out hiking, this is going to be fantastic. So, let's check out what's in a Fly More combo box. Drone, check. Soft bag, soft case, nice, and well, one other box. Oh, another, it's gotta be props probably. Drone, controller, I thought those were props, but I might be wrong. Those are props. Fly More combo, sets of props, cables, more cables, screws, and a charger. Okay, I thought these were props. Let's see what's in here. I don't want to rip it. Oh well, here goes. Alright. Spacer. Nothing in there. Charge hub. Battery. Cables. That's it. Let's go fly. Oh, yes. Oh, whoops, one more box. Oh, prop guards. And literature. Does anybody ever really read the literature? Just fly the thing. We're here to help, DJI. Fantastic. Yeah! We're gonna get some cool shots with this thing now. Fishing, canyons, camping, hiking, ruins. Oh, client work. This is gonna be fantastic to get out. Let's do it.